Good morning. So I just finished my trading session. Uh, Came in and we're in this broad bull channel. I have it drawn here. So my first entry was long above this bar. Well, I probably wasn't trading that. I actually think I had like a wide stop. Yeah, so my first entry was above this bar, anticipating it being a failure. And I don't think there's nothing wrong with going long, but the problem is I have this channel drawn. And so what you're doing is you're accepting a terrible risk reward ratio. And so I got out at break even uh, after it went down. So that's not really, if I got out at break even shortly after this bar closed, that would be smart, but I wasn't really being smart. It took me a while. Get out at break even, of course, I I like the context, so I get back in down here. 54.25. I think that's a good entry. Um, and I was originally looking for a 12-point move because I think I was risking 4 points with this. 3 points. So for whatever reason, I chose 12 points, and that would take you to 57.25. And I think that's a reasonable target. Um, it's at the top of the channel. Um, but when prices started fighting resistance at the top of this, I started tightening my stop. I think that was uh, too fear based. Look at that, a very good entry. Because yeah, if you look at this, I mean, there's nothing telling you to get out. I didn't look at this chart, um, but then if you get in on this micro channel, you would have gotten the entire move. That would have been a 14-point move, probably. I probably would have taken profits there. Um, so then I was anticipating reversal. We have this um, sideways stuff. We have this big bull bar, probably a buy climax, and then we get an II. So we got two inside bars. That's usually a final flag. Boom, we get some nice bear momentum, and I think there was like a lower high on one of these other charts that I was able to enter on. No, it looks like I just went short below this bar. And then, we got sideways, so I think I got out around break even. Yeah. uh, which I don't think there's anything wrong with, when it turns around. I don't want to lose money. Um, and then I got back in and I took a small loss above this bar. I was anticipating a reversal. Again, I think this entry is fine. And then again, I get in and I got out above this bar. I just trailed my stop because I didn't want to take any loss. So I got 2 points on that. I think it's trying to reverse. The reason I was set on going short was because of this overshoot on this chart and on this chart. Mac says when you have a channel, you usually get a break and a move to a new low. And so I'm anticipating that the bears are trying to get a new low. So those were the reasons for my trades today. That was an evaluation of my performance. I hope everyone had a good day. I'll be back tomorrow.